How to change to the single spacing in Microsoft Word if you have paragraphs and you have double space or more than one space between the line, then you can make it normal. So I will show you the perfect way. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word application, and you can see we have a sample paragraph with the more than one space between the line. Okay, so I will show you two methods that you can use. If first method not work, then you can try second method and it will be definitely work. Okay, so first method is just select the paragraph, come to the home, and under the home you can see the option paragraphs. Under this you can see the option called line and paragraph spacing. Just hit the tiny arrow and click on 1.0. Okay, or you can increase the spacing as you want, or you can also go to the line spacing and you can customize as per requirement. Here this is the advanced setting, but you can keep 1.0 to normal spacing. But if it's not but this method not work for you, then you need to try another one, which is just select the alt text again, go to the design. Under the design, here you can see the option called paragraph spacing, and we need to click on no spacing. Okay, so this method not work for me because it is not design, it is normal paragraph. But if you use design like this, let me show you. Okay, okay, if you use design, then it will be work for you. Okay, this is the only two method in Microsoft Word, it will be work. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.